Oh, you're so boring.
I'm realizing I should probably film it this way. That's a good angle.
There you go. Here, stop it, and we'll restart it. Hey, we're driving down to Tennessee. We got lots of nature.
I'm looking at myself, but I should really look at the camera. We're in Elizabethtown. We've actually been on the road for
6 days.
Feels like 6 hours though, at least. But I think it's only been like 4 hours, something like that. Anyway, so that is what is happening now.
Going 80 miles per hour. And this guy is... Wow. Those are the actual trucks and stuff. Take that. Aha.
Oh my gosh. There's so many turns. Hey,
What's up?
how you doing?
I just drive the car.
Oh, okay.
You want me to say it or do you?
We're getting there. Making our way through
Myself a
Tennessee.
Beyond Burger? No, an Impossible Whopper. Carry on, carry on. Ooh, wow, that was loud in my ear. Wow, the acoustics of that, like,
That was
stunning.
loud.
Jeez.
That was loud.
Technically, I do own this car. Well, that sounds sick. Mic it up. Make some samples out of this. It's been a long drive.
Going crazy. I'm so hungry.
Well,
All right, so I'm gonna piece it out
because
because I've been recording for 3.5 minutes and it's useless information.
It's not useless.